Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. Hit the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
Hey smoothie lovers, welcome back to Blends by Tweetie, where we blend with purpose, sip with intention, and glow from the inside out. Today I'm sharing a refreshing and soothing drink, the Ginger Peach Belly Soother. At just around 130 calories, it's light, tasty, and perfect when you want something gentle on your tummy. We start with 1 cup of frozen peaches, naturally sweet and packed with vitamins to brighten your day. Then half a banana joins the mix, adding creaminess and a little potassium boost. Next up, half an inch of fresh ginger. This little powerhouse adds a spicy zing and it's great for calming your digestion. Pour in a full cup of coconut water, which hydrates and adds a subtle tropical twist. Finally, toss in some ice to make it extra cool and refreshing. Blend it all until smooth. Add a deliciously soothing smoothie that's perfect anytime you need a gentle pick-me-up. Give it a try and let me know how you like this peachy gingery delight. Bye!
I got you. Yes.